Ferdinand and Belle Mariano. Okay, so I was gonna say earlier that I've actually been present since the start of Don Bell. Yes, since he's into her. Grabe. I think I was in the premiere of He's Into Her, tama ba, or something. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love Don Bell. Like, grabe, I am such a fan. And I'm so happy that I was able to witness your growth as not only a love team, but as individuals as well. But siguro, I want to know, how are you guys so far? Last time I saw you guys, we were in Boracay. You guys launched the poster. And now the film, grabe yung overwhelming support of course, the Bubblies and all of your supporters. Kamusta naman so far?
Grabe. Alam mo, just watching the VTR nga, napapaisip ako, ang dami natin pinagdaanan. Parang binalik kami sa memory lane and now nasa journey tayo nang tayo sa wakas. You know, sobrang grateful talaga. Just really grateful for the love and the support that we've been getting.
At syempre, gusto namin magpasalamat sa aming Star Magic family for being from the very, very beginning. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Pamilya namin kayo. So, from the very beginning na dyan ng Star Magic, to the entire team, of course, sila Direk Lauren, lahat po ng handlers namin, yung RMs namin. It's just an honor to represent as well, you know, this family. And we're very glad to be a part of it. But how are we? We're doing good, you know. Nag-show na yung movie last week. Nagustuhan ba guys yung movie natin? Oo. Ano yung favorite scene nyo? Sige nga. Hindi.
No spoilers, no spoilers.
Happy kami. We're very happy that we got to share this type of film. And we're very glad that a lot of the themes surrounding this film, syempre nakaka-relate yung, hindi lang yung generation na to, pero lahat ng generation, lahat ng tao, everyone going through relationships, lahat ng taong nagmahal at gustong magmahal.
Nagmahal at nasaktan.
At nasaktan.
Yes.
Grabe.
Did you like the film?
Yes, I loved it.
Really? Yana?
Sorry, the last time I saw you guys was during the premiere night. Yes, hindi pala sa Boracay. Sorry,
Hindi
nakalimutan
kasi
ko.
syempre, ang dami na rin tao nun. So,
Oo.
hindi na tayo
Ang galing nyo.
Of course, di ba, guys? Grabe talaga. But, of course, Donnie and Belle, I think, first of all, to those of you who haven't seen the movie, kitang-kita naman sa trailer, it's a whole different level for you guys of Don Bell. Parang sobrang new era nyo for you, very mature. How was it like filming this movie? And was it siguro hard to get into that dynamic knowing na you're coming from the more rom-com side?
Well, for those nga na hindi pa nakita yung movie, which we saw naman yung trailer, ibang-iba talaga. I feel like this is a different version of Donnie and I. Much more mature, mas grown up na. Yes, sobrang challenging, but I love the experience. And you know, while doing Cheska and the whole Tayo sa Wakas, I learned so much. You know, my principles about love, my beliefs about love, or like in a relationship, it really evolved.
Yeah, tsaka sobrang open talaga kami. You know, I remember during our first projects, like He's Into Her, Love is Colorblind, we would talk about it parang, ay, hindi pa tayo ready sa ganyan. Or siguro wag muna natin ibigay yung ganyang emotion. Kasi, first of all, hindi naman required sa characters namin. Tsaka hindi naman talaga pinagdadaanin nila during that time, di ba? But this movie in particular, we wouldn't really have those questions. Yung tanong talaga namin is, how far are we willing to go for this character? Emotionally, you know, in all aspects actually. So ito parang may agreement kami na ibigay talaga natin lahat dito. You know, this is also our love letter to our supporters, but not just our supporters, to everyone, you know, to the whole generation, sa lahat ng taong gustong ng hope and gustong magkaroon ng, you know, ganitong klaseng relasyon or learnings about how they want to enter a relationship in the future.
Yeah, and a lot's happening right now, syempre. I feel like this film is a good cry that we need. Those who want to release.
A good cry, a good breather.
Yes, a good breather
Yes.
siya.
Grabe. You know what? I've always, again, like what I said, I've been there from the start. Lahat super like, as in puppy love. Tapos ngayon, it's now more on heartbreak, heavy side naman of things. But then, seeing your guys' growth talaga, I think everyone is so proud of them. Tama, guys, diba? We're also proud of Don Bell's growth. Donnie and Belle. But, of course, Donnie and Belle, I have to know, ito, siguro, before we move on to our questions from our friends from the media, you guys had mature roles as a couple. Siguro, how about mature individual roles? Ready na ba kayo for mature genres, would you say, after this movie?
For me, I always say as long as the story is nice and as long as it sends out a good message, why not?
Agree. Kailangan kasing mapapatunayan ng character niya na yun talaga yung kailangan niyang gawin. So I think mas yun yung inisip namin, hindi yung kung ready na ba kami or not. Siyempre, I mean, that still plays a part, but you really want to see the material and if it's worth it to do or not.
Yes, we're very excited for future Donnie and Belle. Grabe. Pero of course, tayo sa wakas, out now, guys. Diba? On cinemas. For those of you who haven't watched it yet, please do find the time to watch Tayo sa Wakas featuring Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano. Okay, so like what I mentioned to you guys, syempre, ngayon naman, we have our friends from the media and they were able to submit their questions for you guys. So let's start things off with Manila Bulletin. Okay, this one's for the both of you. Since you've worked together many times, how has your on-screen chemistry evolved?
I think you have to watch the movie to find out, guys. Kasi, hindi naman namin masasabi yun. Yung audience yung makakasabi nun kasi sila yung nanonood eh. Kami bias kami, sabihin namin okay yung chemistry namin, pero kung hindi yun yung nagtatranslate sa screen, di wala rin. So, dapat sila magsabi.
Panoorin niyo.
Oo, panoorin yun na lang.
Pero pinanood na nung iba eh, di
syempre
ba po?
talaga, of course, we've done project after project. So, there obviously is a depth to our chemistry, I would say, as compared to like if we were just to work on this film for the first time. But that's where the fun is trying to find new ways of showing that chemistry, trying to be creative sa mga eksena, yung hindi masyadong pinag-iisipan, kusa na lang lalabas.
Yes, and
Yung
hindi na
ganun.
kami natatakot. Diba? Siguro also comes with our experiences throughout the years. So, yeah, panoorin niyo po para kayo po ang magsabi.
Huh? Gusto ko malaman. Siguro, kailan nawala yung ilang feeling during taping? Like, which project was it when you were like, okay, we're comfortable with each other?
Hindi pa, He's Into Her. Day one, wala nang ilang. Meron pa naman.
Itong project na yun,
Ha?
doon nawala yung ilang sa project.
Feeling ko sa Love is Colorblind.
Really?
Feeling ko. Yung He's Into Her, feeling ko may konting ilang pa.
Okay.
Or papasok na. Mga last few taping days ng His Inters.
Okay. Nang season 1 yan.
Season 1.
Wow, okay. That's so cool. Kasi syempre naka-lock in din kayo. So, you
That's
really
why,
have
yeah.
the bond.
And we shot that kasi in different timelines, naalala mo? 2019, 2020,
May,
2021.
may year din na ano.
So yes, tama ka. Depending on when we shot it. Yung unang shoot namin may
Dun,
ilang.
yeah, awkward.
I
But because there
see.
was like a year in between.
Oo.
Diba? Parang may 1 year in between
Yes.
the shoot.
We shot
If you would
2019,
notice, iba yung itsura ko.
2021.
Kasi naglilift ako ng weights sa bahay during the pandemic.
Ano
So
na, may muscles na.
Grabe,
oo,
pagbalik niya, ha? Nangyari.
sabi ko,
Naging
paano
hum.
kaya na itsura ko?
Yes, okay. So,
Yeah,
nawala na yung ilang feeling, depende. Either Love is Colorblind or the end of He's Into Her. Oh my gosh, bongga. So, ibig sabihin dito, wala na talagang ilang. Very comfortable na sa Tayo sa Wakas. Yes, love it. Okay, thank you so much, Manila Bulletin. Next up, we have Kapamilya Vines, okay? Tayo sa Wakas marks a meaningful chapter for the both of you. So, what emotions came up while filming knowing it carries extra significance?
What emotions did not come up? I think lahat naranasan natin. Wow. Lahat talaga full spectrum eh. Kasi if you would notice, the movie does not revolve around one specific area of or time frame of our relationship. Pinagdadaanan kasi namin lahat eh. So it starts like you mentioned, the puppy love, and then the getting to know stage, yung honeymoon stage. And then, you know, you're 2 years in, you're 3 years in, you kind of know each other's, ano ba, green flags, red flags, and all those things. And then 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. So parang lahat kasi pinagdadaanan mo. So all the emotions you would feel in those years, I think.
Yes, and also throughout the 7 years. Ano ba naman nung 7 years na yun? Ang dami-dami, di ba? So talagang punong-puno siya ng emotion and feelings. Yes.
All emotions were felt during the filming of Tayo sa Wakas, you would say. Siguro, what was the most prominent feeling that you guys felt while filming this film?
我爷爷没给我看过呀。
Maybe just the love. You know, you can really say how much when you watch the film or to those who watch the film.
爷爷的身体
Ramdam na